Hi grade 2, I welcome you to the class of Social Studies. We are in Unit 2, Lesson 2, which is North America. Let's take a quick look at the objectives. Let's look at the objectives. Our objectives for today are to identify the countries of North America, to identify landforms and bodies of water in North America. So, the United States of America is the name of a country. It is located in the continent of North America. Here's a fast fact. Look at this picture. It's a picture of a bird. The name of this bird is bald eagle. It is the national bird of North America. And apparently, this bald eagle is found only in North America. Let me ask you a question. Do you know what is the national bird of Qatar? Let's find out. The national bird of Qatar is falcon. I'm sure you've seen this bird. I want you to repeat this word after me. Falcon. Let's move on. Let's unlock the vocabulary words. Our words for today are landform. I'd like you to repeat after me, please. Landform, peninsula, very good. Island. Now you see this is spelled as I-S-L-A-N-D, but S is silent. You've learned this in English, right? The S in the island is silent. So you will say island. And finally, Gulf. I'll repeat the four one more time. Landform, peninsula, island, and Gulf. So then what are landforms? These are the various landforms that you will find in different parts of Earth. We are not going to learn all of them, but we may learn a little more than what the vocabulary words suggest, just for additional information. Let's have a quick look. So what are landforms? Landform is a kind of land with a special shape or feature. There are many different types of landforms found on Earth. Okay. So, mountain. A mountain is a kind of landform that is higher than the land around it. Have a look. You see the high land? Okay, so mountains are the kind of landform that are much higher than the land around it. Now, something slightly smaller than that is the hill. A hill is a landform that extends above the land around it. You see, these are smaller than the mountains. So what is a plain? Plain is a flat area on the Earth's surface. You see, that's a plain for you. Now we'll come back to the lesson and what the lesson wants you to learn. It's peninsula. What is a peninsula? It is a land surrounded by water from three sides only. Okay, I'll repeat that for you. A land surrounded by water from three sides. You see that image there? That's a land which is surrounded by water on three sides. That's a peninsula. Now, did you know that Qatar is also a peninsula? Have a look at this map of Qatar. It has water on three sides and land on one side. Let's move on. So then what is an island? An island is a landform with water all around it. I'm sure you will enjoy drawing this image. That's a landform for you. Then what is Gulf? Sometimes a large body of water is partly surrounded by land. This body of water is called a gulf. Have a look. I'll repeat this for you. A large body of water is partly surrounded by land. So there is more water and less land. This body of water is called a gulf. Now let's recall. I will want you to think of the national bird of the two countries that we tried to draw a comparison from. Who remembers the national bird of America? Very good. It's the bald eagle, and this is what it looks like. What about the national bird of Qatar? You better remember this. It's called the falcon, and here's what a falcon looks like. Okay, can you repeat these two names of birds after me? Bald eagle, falcon. Very good. Let's look at more facts to recall. Types of landforms. We learnt about a peninsula. What is a peninsula? It's a body of land which is covered by water on three sides, an island, and a gulf. So that's your peninsula, followed by island which is covered by water on all sides, and finally here's the gulf. Okay, so the keywords of this lesson, children, try and remember the national bird of the two countries. Try and remember these three vocabulary words. If you have any questions, like I always say, don't hesitate to ask. All of us teachers will be happy to answer them for you. Have a nice day. Ciao.